Hi guys, and welcome back. In my last video I teach you how you can install a WooCommerce plugin and how to set up it easily. So in this video we will cover adding and managing a new product in WooCommerce. Before we start, I would suggest you to subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Well, after installing WooCommerce, you will find two new tabs on your dashboard side menu. These are called WooCommerce, your general setting area, and product, your product setting areas. To start setting up your online store, you can either follow the link at the end of the setup wizard or go to the product, add new. Either way, this will enable you to add your first product using the familiar WordPress editor. So I am clicking on the product, add new. Now I am going to add a new product and will show you how the product display is. So here you need to add a product title. Let's say in my case fancy t-shirt, and here you need to add a description of the t-shirt. Before we add the description, let's see this preview is. So click on the preview button. Now here you can see the title showing here like fancy t-shirt, and other things are empty. So let's add those things. Back to the product page, and here you need to add a description. Let's say we provide a good and high quality. And now go back to the preview button and click on it. So now let's see how the description is showing. Now you can see here we provide a good, and here is the complete description. So you can add as much as you can. So here I'm adding coffee and paste. Go to the preview button, click on it, and now you can see as long as this. Now you can see, and you can add as much as you can. So in my case I am adding a dummy content. Now let's move to the next step. Go back to the product screen, and here you need to select a category. Like you can see that product category, all the categories. If you haven't select any categories, so it will be uncategorized by default. So I'm adding a new category from here. You can also add a category from here as well. Like click on the categories in new tab, and here you can see only one category is showing right now. So I'm adding a new category. Click on it like t-shirts. Scroll down and add new category. So you can see here the new category is added. Now count is 0 because no product assigned to this category. So back to the add new product and refresh this page again. Reload, yes, reload. Now here you can see the t-shirts category available here. Product categories, click on the t-shirts and go back to the preview and click on the preview button. Now you can see category is t-shirt is showing here. So let's go back to the add new products and explore the more option. Here you can add the product tags. Let's say best t-shirt. Alright, scroll down and here you can see the product image. You can set the product image here. Now go to the preview button and preview page. Here you can see the image is not appear because we haven't added any image. So right now I am adding an image and click on the set product image button, select file and upload it from your computer. So I am choosing one image from here. Let's say this one. Next, click on the set product image and now go back to the preview page. Click on the preview button and yeah, now you can see the image will be shown here. Here you are. So you can see that image is placed here. Now if you have too many images, like if you have one product and you have so you can explore the product gallery option from here. Like I said, I have different t-shirts in same prices. So let's see product gallery, add product gallery. Click on the product gallery and here go to upload files, select and select these three. Click on the open button and these three will be uploaded. Click on the add to gallery. So now you can see I have one product and different colors like green, white, black and white. So you can add as much as you can. So customer will easily see your products and choose it whatever they want. Now let's go back to the preview button, click on it and here you can see the gallery will be appear from here. Now you can see that. Click on it, zoom in like this one, this one, this one. So that is a simple product which I have uploaded. Also one suggestion from my side, like there are many gallery plugins available which you can use and install it from your WooCommerce store, so it will display better. Now let's move to the next step. Now here you can see we have successfully uploaded the pictures and fancy title and categories as well. And of course the description is here. Now you can see that you can add here the title, but the description is below the image. So I need a description here. I want to add a description here. So how you can add here, like a customer come and they will see like, yeah, this is the title and this is the description here. So we need to add a description here. So how we can do it? Now let's go back to the your product page and here you need to see the product short description tab. Now in this tab you can add a description as much as you can, like a short description, like let's say I am adding a short description here, copy paste, and now here you can see the main features I have displayed here. So it's easy to buy a person. So let's go to the preview button and click on it. Now you can see customer come, they can easily see fancy t-shirt and see the main features and the statics of the t-shirt. So it's easy to understand. Now they didn't satisfy the description, they want to know more about it, so they can scroll down, and here we will add as much as description. So we have successfully added a description with product title and product image. Now you can see that the add to cart button is not here, like how can I purchase this t-shirt? Description mentioned, but add to cart button is not appear, so how can I purchase? So the next video I will show you how you display the add to cart button and how to set the price. So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would suggest to subscribe my channel. So in my next video I will show you how to add a key details to your product like price and others. Till then, goodbye and good luck. See you in the next video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe.